Larv one, she's one to box DC, Batman, Batman 3 surprise is right inside. Only at Target 3 pluses from Speedmaster. Here's a back. Okay, this Batman figure was an awesome toy that they used to. They think we have to open from here. I'm gonna open this. Oh, there we go. Here's Batman out of the packaging. It came with the checklist that has all the figurines and collectors. Okay. Batman, Bat-Tech Batman, which I got. Robin, Batman, Batwoman, the Riddler, the Joker super rare. It comes with blaster, wings, and another wings. You can move his arms, you can move his legs, and you can move his head. That's the only points of articulations. These Batman figures are cool. It has all accessories. This Batman was an awesome figure. It has a cape. There is a bag that you can put them wherever you like. You can put on the arm. Now it will fit. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for the box of the DC Batman, Bat-Tech Batman figure. Bye.